Welcome back to the channel, guys. This is a different video than what you guys normally see on this channel. I think I'm about to go into a different direction. I'm gonna start doing like some daily vlogs, probably like 10 to 15 minute vlogs. Let y'all see what's going on a day-to-day basis of me being an entrepreneur. Right now it's Sunday, it's June 14th, and I am knocking out a yard right now. Today I'm doing some lawn maintenance, and I'm getting ready to buy a trailer later on. So I'm in Georgia. I gotta drive to Alabama to go get this trailer in a few hours. So I said, let me go and knock out this 1 yard real quick. This is one of my bigger properties. It's like an acre yard. It take me like 45 minutes to do it. It's not too bad. So yeah, the trailer I have right now was a gift, because if you've been following the channel, you know that I got sick last year. I was sick real bad. I lost my truck. I lost the trailer I had. I lost one of my lawnmowers. A lot of stuff was going on. I had to sell some stuff. So this is the comeback year. This is the bounce back year. So if you go back a few videos, you'll see me actually pulling this trailer with a Hyundai Sonata, because I didn't have no truck at the moment. So I had to do what I had to do. So this trailer has ran its course now. So yeah, this trailer has ran its course. As you can see, the hinge has broken off. The door is hanging. The mesh is starting to come up off of the trailer. So yesterday I was on Facebook Market all day. I was working and I was on Facebook Market trying to find a trailer. So I found one. I found a 6x12. This is like a 5x10. So a 6x12, I'll be able to fit a 52-inch mower and a 36. So that's another thing I got to do. I got to buy another 36-inch mower. Because right now all I got is Old Faithful. I got my big baby right here. This is a 52-inch Wright Standard ZK. This is the best Wright mower that you can get. As you see right here, it's a Wright Standard ZK. 52 inches the deck size. Plenty of cutting power. Gets you in and out of these yards quickly. It's got almost 1,300 hours on it. So this thing has made me a lot of money. I put it through the ringer. It holds up very well. But it's about that time that I almost need to replace it. So I know I need to replace those twill wheels too. If you get into lawn care, guys, and you got a big mower, buy you some twills. This will save you a whole lot of time from having flat tires in people's yards and being stuck trying to repair them or pull them out of somebody's yard. Twills is the way to go. I swear by them. But yeah, so I'm getting ready to knock this yard out. As y'all can see, it's pretty big in the front. Side is big too, backyard. And then once I get this knocked out, I'm gonna go ahead and head to Alabama. I gotta go take this trailer and drop it off in this equipment, and then I'll head to Alabama. So I'm gonna take y'all with me today so I can show y'all, man. I wanna show y'all how you can start a service-based business with $0 to $1,000. I'll get you going, man, and you'll be in great shape to make your first 6 figures of your life in a year. If you've never made 6 figures before, you can definitely make 6 figures in a year with a service-based business. That's pressure washing, washing windows, lawn maintenance, landscaping. Some people even cleaning. I see somebody in my area starting to clean out trash cans now. What else can you do that's service-based? Tree cutting, all that kind of stuff, guys. So these are multiple 6-figure businesses that you can start with little to no money. If you want to know how, just stay tuned for the videos, because I think that's a series that I'm about to start uploading for y'all on a daily. Just like this lawnmower right here, you can go to Walmart and get one of these for like $200 to $400, bro. And then all you need is a blower. You can buy an electrical blower, an electrical weed eater, or battery operated, just to get you going. I'm not talking about a full-blown setup. I'm talking about just stuff that you can get with a few dollars that'll get you going in the right direction until you get your clientele built up. Then you can go and buy stuff like this: big lawnmowers, trailers, trucks, stuff like that. So if that's something you're interested in, make sure you hit the follow button, subscribe, Hit the like button also on this video for me, because this is my first video upload on this channel in a long time, and I will be loading these videos like this. I'm not doing the sideways videos, YouTube standard, so these videos will be upright, because I'm about to start cranking these videos out and hitting y'all bang every day. I'm about to put myself under pressure to get this stuff done, because I've been dragging my feet dropping videos and content. I got like 8 videos from my other channel that's been sitting in my vault for like 3 months now that I haven't uploaded. So this is a way for me to just crank out this content for y'all and drop it every day. It's just gonna be up and down vertical on this channel from now on. So if y'all liking the content, make sure you hit that thumbs up for me, okay? Let me know that you like it. Drop a comment down below. I can review some lawnmowers for you, give you some suggestions of what you can do. What's the best brands out here, what's reliable, what's sturdy. Any places, if you in Georgia, I can tell you where to go buy something from, where to get your maintenance from, all that stuff. Now, I got a wealth of knowledge, man, like 15 plus. I've been doing this since I was like 14 years old, man. I've been doing lawn care since I was a little kid. So if you need to know anything, ask me a question. I'm sure I'll know it. All right, so I'm about to cut this yard on 2 inches. But it's just full of weeds. So we're gonna cut it low, keep it low. All right, so let me show y'all a little trick that I do with herbicide to eliminate me from having to work extra on pesky little areas. So like this right here, of course I get permission from the customer. So with this area right here, it's about 10 minutes of weed eating inside of this bed, going around the bed. So now I spray herbicide, I don't have to worry about this no more. Same thing with this pesky fence line. I hate metal fences. Your string gets in there, it tears the string up. It's just horrible maintenance. So of course I did this, and then she has an island out here that used to, I guess it used to have pine straw. It used to be a pine straw bed or something, but she doesn't want to maintain it anymore. So now grass just grows in here. Believe it or not, this would take me at least 30 minutes to weed eat this, because I can't go over it with a lawnmower. And definitely not a zero turn, because all these rocks in here, these roots, just destroys the blade. So I used to have to sit here and walk back and forth with a weed eater to clear this area out. So now I just come in here, I spray my herbicide, and then when I come back 2 weeks later, I don't have to weed eat or do anything. I come in here, I spend like maybe 5 minutes in here, I walk back and forth, I spray, and then I'm gone, right? So you got a couple little stuff popping up in here. I just got done spraying. I'm not gonna worry about it. When I come back, next cut, all that'll be dead. So just spraying this alone saved me 30 minutes of time. Like I said, this yard normally takes me about 45 minutes to do. As long as I don't have to do all this extra stuff. So it used to take an hour and a half if I was by myself. If I'm with a team member, we can do it about 30 minutes. It just depends on how the team is moving. If I have one other person with me, then we can get it done in 30 minutes. But like I said, it depends on the person who's with me. But yeah, same thing, spray these beds. Now I don't have to worry about little saplings coming up in here, grass, weeds, all of that. It's done. Look at those stripes. Y'all like that, don't you? Yeah, I know. Looks good, but I'm tired, man. I'm about to get up out of here, go drive to Alabama, pick up this trailer. I'm gonna take y'all along with me for the ride, so y'all can see how this process goes, man. Yeah, yard's looking great. It's time to refresh the pine straw. I don't know if she wants to do it. I'll ask her, but we did it at the beginning of the year, so I doubt if she want to refresh it. But yeah, you can see those perfect lines from the lawnmower all the way back. Look at that, all them stripes. If this lawn was treated, oh my God, it'll look so good. If she got her lawn treated for weeds, it'll look immaculate. So right now I'm at QT, got to gas up. Truck is on dead E. So it's probably gonna take about, gas price done went down, it's $3.55 right now. It's probably gonna take about 120, 124 to fill up, we'll see. All right, let's see what I tell y'all. I told you it was gonna be 120 or 124. Told you. Well, we done made it here. Let's see, they got trailers everywhere. I don't even know where to park at. I guess I'll just pull over here somewhere. Just pull over here in the shade. They got some car haulers and everything. Let's see what all they got, y'all. All right, so I think that I'm gonna end up getting a bigger one than what I came for. This is what I came to get. She said she just sold another one. This is a 6x12, and then this is a 6.5 by 14. So I think I'm gonna end up getting this one. I do like this little, the one with the side over here, but it's not a big enough one. Cause this would be good when I have to haul mulch, rocks. I can just put a tarp in here and they can just dump everything. This would be perfect. But I'm gonna probably end up getting.
It's $100 extra.
Okay, for the side. Man, it's windy out here. Little sweet home. Yeah, we in Alabama right now, y'all. They got car haulers and everything, boy. They got them stacked up, boy. Dump truck. Oh, man. See, I didn't hit the jackpot. They got tandems out here. I don't really like tandems. They get on my nerves, bro. I hate double axle trailers. I really do. I really hate them. These is decent, though. And you got the one with the ramp things, reinforced ramps. See, I like these. This is great for heavy duty stuff. Solid. You don't got to worry about your ramp breaking. It's perfect. So I'm finna be asking a lot of questions, because when I buy stuff, y'all, I like to buy it one time. I don't like buying shit twice. So I came down here to buy a 6x12. I'm gonna end up leaving with a 6.5 by 14. See, this is a decent car hauler right here. What's this, a 20 foot? Where is it at? I can't find it. See the rim size. Oh yeah, this is a 22 foot hauler. Okay, see? It's a good size trailer, man. Get this sucker, then you can rent this out. Put this on Facebook for rent when I'm not using it. What is it? I'm saying, hey man, I'm about to ask how much this dump truck is. They got two out here. That's probably a personal one though. I like this here. They got the tilt. They got the ones with the tilts on them and everything. Oh, this is wonderful. It's not that deep though, but it'll do what it needs to do. Guaranteed. You got swing doors on it. This is wonderful. And it's got the tarp on here and everything. How you doing, boss? All right, y'all, so it's settled. So I ended up getting a 6.5 by 14. I chose this one because it's already got a spare tire on there. He just charged me an extra $125 for this, so I wasn't tripping because I'm not trying to ride around the city looking for a whole nother spare tire. Then I got to do this whole setup and all this, so that's already taken care of. So all I got to do is just hook and book, and then we out here. Now I got to get the landscaping stands to put all the trimmers and the feeders and all that stuff on there. And then we'll be good to go, man. Rock and roll. But yeah, they got a lot of stuff out here. Good prices too. So yeah. All right, y'all. So we made it back from the road trip. The trailer is parked, and now we're at Outback Steakhouse about to get something to eat. So, like I told y'all in the beginning of the video, I'm going to be cranking these out consistently. So if you want to get more tips, helpful advice on lawn care and service-based businesses, make sure you hit the subscribe button. I got some more stuff coming for y'all. So check me out in the next video. I appreciate it. Hit the like button. It don't cost you a thing. And you'll see me in the next one. All right, I'm gone.